dear children, how are you all? I hope you all are staying at home and staying safe also. So here we are going to learn what? Alphabet today. So you already learned these in your previous classes, right? So before that we are going to just revise this, okay? So before that, can we sing song of alphabet? So you already know this song, right? So which is song? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? So shall we sing this one more time?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
I hope you all had fun, right? So here we going to learn what alphabet now, right? So here the first letter is what? A. It's a capital A, small a. You have to say after me, right? Small capital A. Here is a small a. Capital A and small a. Only you have to write. There is no right to write like this. So this is also right, but you can write only small a, right? So here how you have to write? From red line to blue line. Only in 3 lines you should write, right? See, the next letter is what? The letter B. The letter B. How to write? The capital B, small b, right? So it's a capital B or small b, right? So here you have to say and write, okay? And you should say this also, from red line to blue line. Only in this you should write the capital letter. In these 2 letters, in these 2 lines you should write small letter, okay? The next alphabet is C. What? C. Capital C and small c. What? Capital C and here the little c, the small c, right? So here the next letter is what? D, right? You have to say after me. What? D. What is this? D. The capital D and small d, right? The capital D and for small d. How to write? Capital D standing and here the curve, and a small d standing line and here the curve, opposite side, right? So here capital D, small d, capital D, small d. And the next letter is what? F. Sorry, D. After D, it's what? E. Standing, sleeping, sleeping, and here one more sleeping line, right? How to write? Standing line, sleeping line, leave, sleeping line, leave, and here one more sleeping line, leave. So here it will become E. E is what? E. It's a small e. Small e. After E, F. Right? F. How to write F? Standing line, sleeping line, and sleeping line. It's what? Capital E. And here it's a it's a capital F, and here small f. After E, what you should write? F. Capital F, small f. Then G. What you should write the next letter? G. How to write? Take a curve, standing line, here a sleeping line. What? Curve, standing line, sleeping line. It is what? Capital G. Here circle, standing, and curve will become small g. Right? So here the next alphabet is what? H. What? H. Standing line, here sleeping line. It's become capital H. Standing line, here sleeping line, and standing line, here small curve becomes small h. Capital H, small h. Capital H, small h. After that, I. Is what? I. How to write I? Standing line, here sleeping line. You can write standing line, sleeping line. Capital I. Standing line, here the small dot I, which is small I, right? So here the next letter is what after I? J, right? So here J. How to write J? Standing line, and here the curve, right? So standing line and the curve, and again what? Sleeping line. So for the J, again you have to do the same, but you should write small with a small dot, right? So J. The next letter is what? K, right? So I'll just put the lines here, that will be more easy for you, right? So I'll just put red line and the blue line, okay? That you will get to know how to write, right? So here it's a red line, 2 blue line, again the red line, right? Right, I'll just write the K here. How to write K? Standing line, sleeping slant, and again the slant, right? So it will become K. How to write small k? Same standing line, and here the slant, but these should be equal, but these should be small, right? The standing line and the curve should be equal when you are writing capital K, but when you writing small k, It should be big line and small slants that make small K, right? After K, L, which is the next letter, L. Standing line, sleeping line, right? Then standing line is what? L, right? So I know this is easy for you, right? So how to write standing line and sleeping line is a capital L, standing line is a small l. M, how to write M now? So red line to blue line. So here the standing line and slant, right? If you take a slide, how you will take? You will climb, you will go down, again you will climb, again you will come down, right? So here what? N. So how to write small n? Small m, standing and curve, and here the curve, right? So in this red line to blue line, but M you should write in this both small line. In these two blue line you should write what? M, right? So I'll just show you capital M. M, here the small m, okay? See the next letter, which is N. What? N. How to write N? Standing line, again you take a slide, yes, again you stand there only, right? So it's a N, capital N, again small n, right? Capital N, small n. So which is the next alphabet, which is very easy for you, which is O. What? O. How to write? You have to make a big circle, that's all, and here the small circle, right? So what is that? O. After that P, right? P, capital P, small p, right? How to write? Capital P from red line to blue line, and small blue line to red line is what? Small p. Here the next letter is what? Q. Q. Circle, that is what? For circle, we will give a small tail for that, right? So here it's a capital Q. And how to write small q? Circle, standing line, and here the small slant is what? Q. The next letter is what? Q. Q, small tail, small q, standing line, and here the curve, right? So here for the next letter R. R, right? So we'll write R here. R. So standing line, curve, and slant, right? Standing line, curve, here the slant. So how to write small r? You should write in these blue line. So standing line, then go there up only, and here is a r. You can write like this or like this, okay? These two are, but this you should practice, okay? More than this is the correct one, okay? So you should try to practice, okay? See, the next one is what? After R, which is the next letter? Can you tell me? Yes, very good. S is the next letter. So how to write S now? So here S, right? It's like a road. When you are going somewhere, it's like a curved road, right? So we'll write S here, right? So capital S, small s. Capital S is from red to blue line. Small s in the blue line, okay? Capital letter and here the small letter. The next letter is what? T. T. It's very easy to write, right? So here the standing line and the sleeping line. So red line to blue line. Here the same, the red line to blue line for the T, right? So here the red line to blue line. Standing line, curve, here the sleeping line. The next letter, which is U. U. Here the capital U, here the small u, right? See the next letter, which is V. V. How to write V? Slant, big capital V, here the small v. W. If I put ulta, if I put like this, which alphabet it's look like? M, right? So here, if you make it correctly, it's become what? W, right? So W, small capital letter W, small w. See the next alphabet, which is X, right? So here we write X, capital X, which is red line to blue line, small x, which is in blue line. You should write, okay? X, right? So here the next letter, which is Y, right? Y. How to write Y? It's a capital Y. Here the small y, right? So here capital Y, from red line to blue line you should write. So take a slant and here we go for the big slant, like that. Same, right? Y, capital Y, small y. So here we go for the next letter, which is the last letter, right? So Z. Z. Sleeping, slant, sleeping. Sleeping, slant, sleeping, from red line to blue line. For the small, you should write in a blue line only, okay? This is all what? Alphabet. So we should revise it with the phonic sound. So what is the phonic sound? How the alphabet sound, right? When you are telling some letters, right? With letter you are telling some word, right? That how the letter will sound, right? So we get to know, right? So we'll go with the alphabet and with the phonic sound. A. A. What the A sound? A. B. B. C. K. D. D. E. A. F. F. G. G. H. H. I. E. J. J. K. K. L. L. M. M. N. N. O. O. P. P. Q. Q. R, R. S, S. T, T. U, O. V, W. W, W. X, S. Y, Y. Z, Z or Z, right? So A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball. C for cup, cup. D for dog, dog. E for elephant, elephant. F for fish, fish. G for gun, gun. H for house, house. I for ice cream, ice cream. J for jug. K for king, king. L for lion, lion. M for monkey, monkey. N for nest, nest. O for orange, orange. P for peacock, peacock. Q for queen, queen. R for rabbit, rabbit. S for sun, sun. T for tree, tree. U for umbrella, umbrella. V for van, van. W for wheel, wheel. X for Xmas, Xmas. Y for yak, yak. Z for zebra, zebra, right? So this is what a phonic sound of alphabet that you have to practice and write. Okay, you should practice this phonic sound also, which help to create, and you can read the words, right? This will very helpful. So you should practice this at your home. This is all about today's class. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.